Hey guys, we're excited to finally be releasing a new drip trays for our microgreen trays. So these here are the drip trays that no longer have holes in them, and they're used so you can either irrigate with a sprinkler system, or you can just irrigate in your home or somewhere in a restaurant wherever you don't have overhead irrigation. So basically they just sit underneath your microgreen trays like so. You fill them with water and just let them go. These guys have been 3 days without irrigation just from the drip trays. These here are our standard trays that we've been selling for years now. Very good quality as per usual. Just to compare with the Japanese ones, these here are the Japanese ones, or the ones that Curtis will be selling. As you can see, they're very much like for like sizes. The main differences, these here stack together and these here don't. They just sit on top of each other like that. So they're not very good for stacking. As far as strength goes, you know, they're very strong. Now there's also an injection molded polyethylene food grade plastic, so they'll last you a lifetime. So I just quickly want to go over the microgreen system and how we use it, because a lot of people say, like, how do you do your microgreens? So just a quick overview. So you'll have to get a medium. That'll be, we're using soil here. It's a special mix for our microgreens. Once you've got your medium, to get our perfect spacing like we've got here, for example, these here are our kale. We use our seeder. So if you do want one of our seeders, just make sure you ask for your microgreen one. It's the same as we use for our paper pots. We've just got an 8mm hole there so we can drop a lot more seeds. So with our kale seed here, just sprinkle it on. Shake it around. And as you can see, you've got a heap of seeds in each hole there. We just line that up. And we press them. And that's fully seeded. That is literally all that we did to seed these kale sprouts here we got right here. Now these ones here probably need another couple of days before we harvest them, but basically that's it. Hope you guys who have our trays are enjoying them, and those of you who haven't, that you enjoy them in the future. And yeah, hope you enjoy our new drip trays. They're now available in Australia, and they'll be soon available in the US. Our microgreen trays are currently available in the US, and these ones here should be within the next month or two. Thanks for that, guys.